Stop playing Russian roulette with your high-end graphics card and a generic power box. Welcome back. If you're building or upgrading a modern gaming PC and want clean, ultra-stable juice without a chaotic mess of cables, the CORSAIR RM750e ATX 3.1 Fully Modular Power Supply is the gold standard foundation for 2026 builds. This isn't just a standard power supply, it is a forward-compatible hardware safeguard. The absolute standout feature for 2026 is its native ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 readiness, featuring an included 12V-2x6 power cable. Unlike older power supplies that require awkward, fire hazard adapters to power modern GPUs like the NVIDIA RTX 40 series or next-gen 50 series cards, the RM750e feeds power directly through a single, secure cable designed to handle massive power spikes with absolute safety. What makes the RM750e a 2026 builder favorite is its premium internal engineering and efficiency. It boasts a Cybenetics Gold efficiency certification, meaning less wasted electricity, lower heat generation, and a quieter fan curve. Packed with heavy-duty 105-degree serrated capacitors and supporting modern standby mode for lightning-fast wake times, it delivers industrial-grade reliability. Because it is fully modular, you only plug in the exact cables your build requires, leaving your PC case looking immaculate and optimizing airflow to keep your components running frosty. Click the link below for the best price and build your rig with total confidence. If this breakdown helped you secure the perfect backbone for your 2026 PC build, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the hardware that powers your passion. See you in the next one.